Now you will hear a short conversation about first day at school. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Mom, I don't want to go to school today. My stomach feels funny.
Oh, sweetie, are you nervous about your first day?
Yes, what if I don't know anyone? What if the teacher is mean?
It's normal to feel scared, but your friend Leo is in your class this year, remember?
Really? Leo is in my class?
Yes, and Mrs. Davis, your teacher, is very kind. I'll walk you to your classroom. We can look at the school map too.
Okay, I guess that makes me feel a little better.
Don't worry, you have your favorite apple in your lunchbox. You'll have a great day.
Thanks, Mom.
What is the conversation mainly about? What does the parent say to help the child feel better? Now you will hear a short conversation about helping a friend. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hey, Lily, you look a little sad. What's wrong?
It's about Tom. He lost his favorite toy. He's very sad.
Oh, no, that's tough. How can we make him feel better?
I was thinking maybe we could play his favorite game with him, like soccer?
That's a good idea. Or maybe we could draw him a funny picture.
He likes drawing, but I think playing outside would be better. He loves soccer.
Yes, he does. What if we also bring him a small treat, like a cookie?
Oh, that's a great idea, Sam. He loves chocolate chip cookies.
So we'll play soccer with him, and you can bring a cookie.
Perfect. I hope he feels happy again soon.
Me too. Let's go find him.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why is Tom sad? Now you will hear a short lecture about polar bears. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about polar bears and how they survive in very cold places. Polar bears live in the Arctic, a place that is always freezing. How do they stay warm? They have two main ways. First, they have very thick fur. This fur has two layers. The outer layer keeps water out, and the inner layer keeps warm air close to their body. It's like wearing a very warm coat. Second, polar bears have a lot of fat under their skin. We call this fat blubber. Blubber is like a thick blanket, keeping their body heat inside. So, their fur and blubber work together. These two special features help polar bears stay warm, even when they swim in icy water. It's amazing how they are built for their cold home.
What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what is blubber? Now you will hear a short lecture about the water cycle. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Today, we're going to talk about the water cycle. This is how water moves all around our planet. Think about the sun shining on a lake or the ocean. When the sun makes the water warm, it changes into a gas called water vapor. This water vapor is very light, so it floats up into the sky. This process, when water changes from liquid to gas and goes up, is called evaporation. So, evaporation is when water leaves the ground or a lake and rises into the air. Why does it rise? Because the sun heats it up. Once it's high in the sky, this water vapor forms clouds. Later, the water in the clouds falls back to Earth as rain or snow. This is how water travels in a big circle, from the ground up to the sky and then back down again. That's the water cycle.
What is the talk mainly about? Why does water vapor rise into the sky?